You've envisioned your ideal home, every detail, every feature that reflects your unique lifestyle. But we know that the journey from dream to reality can sometimes feel overwhelming. At Norm Wales Constructions, we understand that building your dream home is a significant decision that comes with excitement, anticipation, and sometimes a touch of hesitation. It's not uncommon to find yourself in the inquiry stage, brimming with excitement, and then finding reasons to delay or put off making that crucial decision. So let's address those thoughts that might be holding you back. Firstly, I get it. Building a custom home involves many choices: designs, layouts, materials, and budgets. The abundance of options can lead to decision fatigue. But here's the thing: we're not just builders. We're your partner in this journey. Our experienced team is here to guide you through every step of the process, helping you make informed decisions that align with your vision. Secondly, we understand that committing to a custom home is a big financial step. Our experts can work with you to create a transparent budget that fits your needs and goals, giving you confidence in your dream investment. Number 3, let's talk about the unknowns. Building a home is an exciting journey, but concerns about delays, challenges, and unforeseen obstacles can be intimidating. Rest assured, our experienced team has faced it all. We have a proven track record of delivering quality homes in Bundaberg on time and within budget, even during the trickiest of times. Transparency and communication are our cornerstones. Life is dynamic and priorities can change. But remember, your dream home is a reflection of your aspirations, your lifestyle, and your family. Don't let the passage of time hold you back from something truly special. At Norm Wales Constructions, we're more than just a building company. We're your partners in creating a space where memories will flourish and dreams will come to life. So let's overcome procrastination and turn your dream home into reality. For more helpful tips and information on building your custom home, be sure to subscribe to our channel and download our handy quick guide on the 7 things you must ask before signing your building contract in Bundaberg. It's free and comes with loads of helpful info to help you in your home building journey.